Friends, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. Hope you are fine now, friends. In this video I will show you the live price prediction of StormX. What's the price change occurring in StormX, what's the high price of Storm coin, and this video I will show you. So before starting this interesting video, if you don't subscribe my channel, so first of all please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. Now let's see the live price prediction of StormX. Please, if you listen my voice, so please don't ignore my words and kindly subscribe my channel. As you can see now on the screen, that is a live price prediction of StormX of the previous last 2 hour watching now on the screen. That is a live price prediction of previous 2 hour, and if we look the changes of the StormX is about negative 1.25% change occur in the StormX in the previous last 2 hour. Absolutely bad change occur in the StormX, and the high price of StormX is about $0.096778 is the high price of StormX in the previous last 2 hour. So friends, if we look the chart analysis of the StormX, that at the start of this hour and the start of previous last 2 hour they take a jump, but as you can see here they are start fast downing with a slowly speed. As you can see, fast downing slowly, and now they are again ready for jumping. So don't worry about the falls of StormX. Now that is a live price prediction of last 1 hour 2 hour. Now let's see the previous last 1 hour price prediction of StormX. What's the price change occur in the StormX in the previous last 1 hour? So friends, as you can see now on the screen, that is a live price prediction of the StormX on the screen. As you can see here, the changes is a negative but less than change occurs in the last 1 hour than the last previous 2 hour. Negative 0.44% change occur in the StormX in the previous last 2 hour, and the high price of StormX is about $0.096367 dollar is the high price of StormX in the previous last 1 hour. And now friends, if we look the price prediction chart of the StormX in the last 1 hour. So as I told you in the start of this video, that is the start of last 1 hour they take a jump, but after that, after the passage of time, they again fast down slowly. But don't worry, as I told you in the start of this video, that currently now at this time they are again ready for jumping. So maybe they goes upward in the future more, and maybe they falls down in the future. We can't say about the future of StormX. So my suggestion for all of StormX holder, that hold your Storm coins with the last of this month. Hope they goes upward in the future. So wait for it, wait for their big pump, and make a good profit with the StormX. What's your opinion about StormX? Please share in the comment box, and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.